The 29th Conference on Power Systems has been inaugurated in Tehran. The three-day conference is aimed at developing Iran's electricity export while finding ways to compensate for the high demands of electricity inside the country. Iran's Minister of Energy, Hamid Chichiyan, said that the country has made significant advances within the past 30 years in terms of power generation.
By the end of 1979, our electricity generation was as low as 7,000 megawatts. This figure stands at 72,000 megawatts now. We will add 33,000 megawatts to the existing capacity within the next 5 years.
According to the officials, Iran's electricity consumption is twice world average. The Islamic Republic is seeking ways to fill the long-standing gap between electricity supply and public demand.
Iran's electricity grid is so broad that it experiences 15% loss during transmission. This figure is 5% higher than world average. We've considered employing our clean energies like solar, wind, or nuclear energies to compensate for the loss.
Wind power plants in Iran can generate over 30,000 megawatts of electricity. The head of the Iranian Parliament's Energy Commission went on to say that unfortunately fossil fuels account for 95% of Iran's electricity. Studies show that fossil fuel power plants spew 700 grams of CO2 for every 1 kilowatt hour of electricity generated.
Iran has enormous potentials for renewable energies. It enjoys 300 sunny days each year, which allows for 60,000 megawatts of electricity generation. We should use our oil and gas reserves for more beneficial purposes rather than burning them for electricity.
Iran currently exports around $2 billion worth of electricity to Asian countries such as Armenia, Iraq, and Pakistan.
The Islamic Republic seeks to become a major exporter of electricity in the region. It is also planning to further employ its existing capacities of renewable energies or clean energies for two reasons. One, to reduce its dependence on fossil fuel resources for generating electricity, and second, to contribute to the effort of slowing down global warming. Youssef Jalali, Press TV, Tehran.